Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 2, Introduction to JavaScript. Control flow. Control flow is the order in which individual statements, instructions, or function calls are executed in a programming language. 1. If statement. The if statement executes a block of code if a specified condition is true. 2. If/else statement. The if/else statement executes one block of code if a specified condition is true and another block of code if it is false. 3. Else/if statement. The else/if statement specifies a new condition if the first condition is false. 4. Switch statement. The switch statement evaluates an expression, matching the expression's value to a case clause, and executes statements associated with that case. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a specified condition is met. 1. For loop. The for loop repeats a block of code a certain number of times. 2. While loop. The while loop repeats a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. 3. Do while loop. The do/while loop repeats a block of code once and then continues to repeat the loop as long as a specified condition is true. 4. For in loop. The for in loop iterates over the enumerable properties of an object. 5. For of loop. The for of loop iterates over the values of an iterable object, like an array. These are the basic constructs for control flow and loops in JavaScript. They allow you to make decisions and repeat actions in your programs.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.